Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dylan in Clinton, Kentucky on a Stryker SR-447hpc2. Dylan, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune and alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade. Let's get right to it. We're going to start with the R power all the way down, 50 watt slug. And there's your 2 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run like a 4-pill or 6. 15 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. About 46 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Audio. See that again. Oops, sorry there. Hello, audio. Good 90 watts PEP. Alright, Dylan, we're going to get it out your way, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.